if you have a VPS hosting plan with HarmonWeb and you need to take your backup, here is a step on how you can do that. First, log into your HarmonWeb client area and navigate to the services page. When you click on the service, you are going to select your VPS. Here is my own VPS. I can just click on it here. And then you scroll down till you see this server information section. It's going to load up a control panel for you to manage your server. So here is where you are going to take the backup. From this menu, we are going to click on the drop down here and then select backups. Here you can see I currently have one backup that I took. Well, that was 15th of December. So if I want to take another backup, I will just click on the backup plan button and say, are you sure you want to create backup? Click on yes. Okay. The backup process has been started. Please allow a few minutes to complete. So depending on how large your VPS disk is, the backup might take 30 minutes to some hours for it to complete. So just click on OK and then you can just leave it. It shows VPS backup is running. During the time that the VPS backup is running, you will not be able to manage your server, like shutting it down, rebooting on anything, or restoring any OS. But your server will be online. Of course, your website will be loading fine, but you will not be able to manage the server. So you can just log out and leave it. It is done. So that is all for this video. Please follow us for more, and if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you.